How to get the transcripts of any YouTube video. So hey guys, if you're also wondering how you can get the transcripts of any YouTube video, then this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open any YouTube video of your choice. Now, in order to get the transcripts, you need to scroll down towards the description of the video. And once you will scroll down, at the very last of the description, you can see the transcript option. And below that, you can see this option which says show transcript. So simply click on the show transcript button, and here you can see that it has given me the transcript of the entire video. These may be subjective, that means it can either be auto generated or submitted by the uploader as well. So in order to copy these transcripts, what you're going to need to do is simply double tap and select them just like the normal text. And once you have selected that, simply press the Control C, or you may right click on them and choose the copy option. And then you can paste them or use them as you like. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.